In the world of beginner-friendly cruisers, two names often come up in conversation: the Yamaha V-Star 250 and the Suzuki Boulevard S40. Both motorcycles are lightweight, easy to handle, and offer the laid-back styling of larger cruisers without the intimidating size or weight. While they share the same target audience, these two bikes bring different strengths to the table. Let's compare them in detail to see which one fits your riding style best. Design and styling. Yamaha V-Star 250. The V-Star 250 sports a classic cruiser design, complete with a low-slung seat, teardrop fuel tank, and plenty of chrome accents. It's proportionally smaller than full-size cruisers, making it less intimidating for shorter or beginner riders. Despite its compact frame, it has a timeless cruiser look that appeals to traditionalists. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The Boulevard S40, formerly known as the Suzuki Savage, leans into retro cruiser aesthetics but with a slightly beefier stance compared to the V-Star. Its minimalist styling, exposed frame, and distinctive single-cylinder engine give it an old-school vibe. The long wheelbase and simple design make it feel more like a scaled-down classic cruiser than an entry-level bike. Engine and performance. Yamaha V-Star 250. Powering the V-Star 250 is a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine producing about 21 horsepower. While modest in power, the V-twin layout delivers smooth and predictable torque, making it great for city riding and casual weekend cruises. It's paired with a 5-speed transmission that's forgiving for new riders, and its smooth throttle response ensures a confidence-building ride. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The Boulevard S40 steps things up with a 652 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine producing around 31 horsepower and 37 newton-meters of torque. Despite having only one cylinder, the torque output is impressive for its size, and it pulls strongly at low RPMs. This makes the S40 more versatile for highway riding compared to the V-Star. It also features a 5-speed gearbox, but with gearing that favors relaxed cruising. Chassis and handling. Yamaha V-Star 250. The V-Star 250 has a lightweight chassis weighing around 147 kilograms, which, combined with a low 685mm seat height, makes it one of the easiest cruisers to manage at low speeds. Its narrow frame and short wheelbase give it excellent maneuverability in city traffic, and the soft suspension setup soaks up small bumps comfortably. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The Boulevard S40 tips the scales at about 173 kilograms, still light for a cruiser but heavier than the V-Star. Its 700mm seat height remains beginner-friendly, and the longer wheelbase provides more stability at higher speeds. The ride is firmer compared to the V-Star, and while it handles well in urban settings, it truly shines on open roads where its extra power and stability make a difference. Braking and suspension. Yamaha V-Star 250. The braking system on the V-Star 250 consists of a single front disc and a rear drum brake. While adequate for the bike's low weight and power, it lacks the stopping confidence of modern dual-disc setups. The suspension is basic but comfortable for relaxed cruising. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The S40 also uses a single front disc and rear drum brake configuration. However, with its higher torque and weight, braking requires a bit more effort. The front telescopic fork and twin rear shocks provide a firm but stable ride, favoring smoother pavement over rough roads. Comfort and ergonomics. Yamaha V-Star 250. The V-Star's ergonomics are relaxed and natural. Forward-mounted foot pegs, wide handlebars, and the low seat create a comfortable riding position for short to medium rides. The smaller frame can feel cramped for taller riders on long journeys, but for shorter commutes, it's ideal. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The S40 offers a similarly relaxed cruiser position but with a slightly longer reach to the handlebars. Its larger engine means it's more comfortable for extended rides, especially at highway speeds. The seat padding is decent, though some riders may opt for aftermarket upgrades for long-distance touring. Fuel economy. Yamaha V-Star 250. The V-Star is extremely fuel efficient, averaging around 78 to 85 miles per gallon, 33 to 36 km/L. With its small 9.5-liter fuel tank, you can still expect a respectable range between fill-ups, making it a great commuter. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The S40 averages around 55 to 60 miles per gallon, 23 to 25 km/L, which is lower than the V-Star but still good for a cruiser of its displacement. Its 10.5-liter tank offers similar range to the V-Star, but with more highway capability. Price and value. Yamaha V-Star 250 MSRP, $4,799. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is typically more affordable, both in purchase price and running costs. It's a fantastic choice for first-time riders who want a reliable, stylish bike without breaking the bank. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is perfect for riders who value lightweight handling, low running costs, and approachable power. It's an ideal starter bike for city use and occasional weekend rides. Suzuki Boulevard S40 MSRP, $5,799. The Suzuki Boulevard S40 costs more but offers significantly more power, making it suitable for riders who plan to do longer trips or eventually upgrade to bigger cruisers. The Suzuki Boulevard S40 is better suited for those who want a bigger engine, stronger highway performance, and a cruiser that can handle longer trips. While it's still beginner-friendly, its extra torque gives it an edge for riders who want more versatility.